Hey crew, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the watch link in the Ford Crown Victoria. So for this job, you don't have to take the wheels off, but it does make it a lot easier, especially if you're not on a lift. So looking at the driver's side, coming in past the brake rotor, past the wheel, underneath, and up. This silver, that's the watch arm, and the bolt is right here. Then it connects to the center with that bolt there. And then same on the other side. So we'll crack this first nut right here. So this is the driver's side, and on the right I'm using a 3/8 ratchet with a 15mm socket, and on the left I'm using an adjustable wrench to prevent the nut from spinning. This is the passenger side. The process is the same, but you'll notice the right side is much closer to the spring, so you'll have a hard time fitting large sockets or ratchets in there. Using a 3/8 with a short 15 is recommended, or using a ratcheting wrench. Okay, so this nut here in the middle, that's what we're going for. 24mm. Now I wonder if I could fit my impact in here. I don't think so. No, ain't no way. Ain't no way that's happening. Okay. There we go. Oh God. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's right. It comes to it, I'll use the flamethrower. So up to this point, I've removed both bolts from the arms. I've sprayed the center nut with penetrating fluid, and now I'm using a breaker bar with a 24mm socket to remove the center nut. That's good. Okay, on the right is the new one, on the left is the old one. Make sure everything lines up the same, and they are the same. So, new bushing, old bushing. So the easiest way I found to remove the Watts link without taking the arms off is to take the Watts link off of the stud, then push the entire Watts link to the passenger side to bring the driver's side arm underneath the exhaust, and then you can pull it out and finagle it around that way. And to put it in is the same as taking it out, just in reverse. Yeehaw, brother.